Today I'm going to make crispy fried chicken for my family, the KFC style fried chicken. I have my ingredients here. Here's the chicken. Then I have salt, ginger powder, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, buttermilk, and all-purpose flour. We are now going to add the dry spices to our chicken and flour. We start with the salt. Then we add the paprika to the chicken. Then we add a little black pepper to the chicken, and also a little black pepper to the flour. And then we add the garlic powder to the chicken, just a little bit. Just a little garlic powder to the chicken, and also a little bit ginger powder to the chicken. I'll now mix the chicken and the ingredients. And also mix the all-purpose flour. So now I'm going to dip the chicken into the buttermilk. I'll now add the chicken to the flour. Now we fry the chicken. The process is done, and here is the end result.